Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to read input to the Java programs from the user. So to read input to the Java program, we are using a predefined class called scanner. We are using a predefined class scanner. This scanner is available in the util package. Okay, by using the scanner predefined class, we are reading input to the Java program. The scanner class consists of different methods. Among them, some important methods for reading the input are, first I will write down the methods. Next to byte, this is the method name. Next to short. Here observe B, S, the second words are starts with the uppercase letters. Next to int. Next to long. So these four belongs to integer category, and next to float. Next to double. This is very easy to remember. Next to boolean, not character. Character directly not available. Now, next to one is, this is a very important one. Next to line. So these are the total. I have 8 primitive data types. So 8 methods are there. These are the some important methods. You know that one. Next to byte is used to read byte value. If you want to read short value, next to short. Next to int, to read integer value. Next to long, to read long value. Next to float, to read float value. To read double value, to read boolean value. Next line is used to read string value. Next line is used to read string value. Remember? Now, these are the methods that are available in the scanner class. Now, you know one point. If you want to access a method of a class, you need to create an object. Clear? Now, to access these predefined methods, what is the step? You need to create an object for the class which consists of these methods. Which class consists of these methods? Scanner. So, create an object for the scanner class. By using that object only, we can access these methods. What is the syntax? Class name scanner, some object name is equal to, this is user defined, you can give any name, is equal to new scanner of, new scanner of. This is the additional one related to normal object creation. Additionally, inside the bracket, we are using system.in. What is the meaning of system.in? Remember, system.in in Java specify to connect operating system buffer to scanner class object. So to connect the scanner class object to the operating system buffer, system.in is used. If you have confusion, I will explain diagrammatically. See this one. Assume. For example, I written like this. Now in this one, This box is JVM. This entire thing is JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Assume this is operating system. This is operating system. In a sense, this is mission. General scenario. So mission, operating system is inside the mission. JVM is also placed here. JVM is also placed here. Through mission only. What is the procedure? Through mission only, we are providing the input, the console input through keyboard. The console input through keyboard, we entered some information. We entered some information like this. Through this channel, the information operating system consists of a buffer. Remember, directly whatever the input we are given, directly that is not moved to the program. Operating system consists of a buffer. Suppose if you are providing the input is passed to the buffer. Now, within the JVM, scanner object is created. Yes or no? We are created scanner object. For example, assume this is the scanner object. Within this scanner object, you are writing some functions. We are writing some function. For example, what are the functions? Next to int of or next to float of. Like this, we are writing some functions. Remember, anyway, the buffer take in the input. How the scanner object get those input? By using system.in. So whatever the output input that is received by using system.in. This is system.in. Now you got the point. System.in simply connect the operating system buffer to the scanner class object. Scanner class object. This is the internal diagram. Okay, clear? Now we will discuss each and every method clearly. So the different methods. We'll discuss the methods signatures along with their syntax. What is the first one? Next to byte. So next to byte, which is used to read a byte value. To read a byte value. What is the signature? The method signature. Signature in the sense the complete return type, name of the method, any parameters, everything. Public. The return type is byte. After reading the byte value, it returns byte only. Byte next to byte of. This is the signature. And what is the syntax? How to read a byte value? Like this. Byte some b is equal to sc dot. Already you are created a scanner object. Sc dot next to byte of. Sc dot next to byte of. This is the syntax for reading byte value. Exactly in the similar fashion, we will read all the 8s. Next to short, which is used to read a short value. The syntax signature is public short. This is the data type name. S is a small letter. Next to short of, and syntax is short. Some b is equal to sc dot next to short of. Sc dot next to short of, that is short value. Next to int, which is used To read an integer value. To read an integer value. Next to int of, and int some b is equal to, not b, some variable name is equal to sc dot next to int of. This is the syntax. And next to long, which is used to read a long value. Public long next to long of. What is the syntax? Long some variable name is equal to sc dot next to long. So these are the four methods for reading integers. Now next to one is the method name is next to float, which is used to read a float value. To read a float value. So public float next to float of. Float some variable is equal to sc dot next to float. Next one, next to double, which is used to read a double value. Public double next to double of. So double variable is equal to sc dot next to double of. Next one, next to boolean. To read a boolean value. Public boolean next to boolean of. This is the method signature. What is the syntax? Boolean some variable is equal to sc dot next to boolean of. And at last, next to line of, which is used to read a string value. Which is used to read a string value. Public the return type is also a string. S is the capital letter. Remember, this is not a data type. This is a predefined class. We will discuss string in detail later. Public string next to line of. What it returns? String. Now, at the time of declaration, string, some variable is equal to sc dot next to line of. Now, if you want to read a line, declare that variable name as the string type. Declare the variable name as the string type. Now, finally, you observe. So how to read the input? By using the predefined class scanner. The scanner is available in the package util package. These are the methods that are available for reading the input. If you want to access any method, what is your aim? You need to create an object for the class. You need to create an object for the class. How to create an object? This is the syntax. Additionally, we have system.in. What is the purpose? The purpose is whatever the input we entered, that is stored in the operating system buffer. Now, to connect this operating system buffer to the scanner, we are using system.in. System is a predefined class. In, we are providing input. We are providing input like this. Now, these are the methods. The first one is called method signature. That is the structure. This is the syntax of how to read a variable. How to read a variable. Now, finally, consider one example. For example, a Java program to read user details like name of the user, age of the user, mail ID, phone number, etc. How to read? Just one sample program. I will write down just one sample program. First step. before using the scanner class. Where the class is available? The class is available in the util package. The first step is you need to import the package. So import java.util.scanner. If you return this statement, then only the members of the class are available to use. Then only the members of the class are available to use. Class demo input. This is my program name. Now, public static void main string args of. Okay, this is the minimal structure. Within this one, what is the first step? Create an object for the user class, sorry, scanner class. Okay. Now, by using object, read different informations. For example, system dot out dot println. First, I need username. Enter username. Now read the name. Our name is a string data type. String, some name is equal to like this. String name is equal to sc dot next line of. Remember this statement, enter username. This is just for user understanding only. This is the only statement for reading. Whenever this is executed, whatever the value you are given, that is copied into the variable name, that is copied into name. Next to what you want, for example, after roll number, you want user mail. Suppose user mail. Now mail. Mail in the sense that is also a string. String, some mail is equal to sc dot next line of sc dot next line of. Now I want phone number. I want phone number. Enter user phone number. Like this, you can read any type of information. Long phone number is generally long numbers. Long, some ph is equal to sc dot next long of. Okay, in this way we are reading the information. Finally, I am printing the information. Suppose I am printing the information, the user details are just printing. Now system dot out dot println. So username is equal to plus what is my variable name? Name is my variable. Like this, I am reading all the information and then print the information. After username, next I read mail ID. The user mail is equal to my variable name is mail. Finally, so just to sample program, observe user phone number. PH. Save and execute the program. Save and execute the program. Demo input. Save. Demo input dot Java. Press enter. Now go to the command prompt. Move to the location where your Java file is available. Java programs 99. Now execute Java C space demo input dot java. So, the compilation step, Java C space demo input, my class name, program name, dot Java. If no errors in the program, it displays those errors. If any errors are there, it will show the errors. If no errors, automatically we are moving to execution. We are moving to execution. Now clear? Here, what is the procedure? This is now, see this one, Java space demo input. Press enter. Now it asks you enter username. For example, I given the name is Raju. Press enter. Enter user mail ID. Suppose abc@gmail.com. Enter mail ID. Enter phone number. Now I am displaying, just to hear this example, how to read and how to display. I am displaying all the information. This is the concept of reading input from the user. Thank you.